Hi guys, my name's Drea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Apparently I did not film an intro to this video, so here is the photo shoot that I ended up doing, and if you want to see how to get this look, keep on watching. I've already done my base, and I put some of this just all up in here, you know? Basically what I'm doing is I'm going to be making a really angled, like, black, smoky sort of eye. It's really angled out this way. Putting some transition shades in first. And the thing that's going to be different from my regular makeup is that I'm also going to accentuate this part right here. Because it's meant to be skull makeup. Okay. So then, as usual, I take my bronzer and I buff everything out. Alright, I'm taking a black eyeliner pencil just on the outside here and then smudging it out because black sits better when it has a base. And we're going to be leaving a little gap because I'm going to put like gold right there. And then this gold eyeliner is about to go like everywhere. So we're gonna start just all up in the inner corner and here, but then we're also gonna do my eyebrows in this gold. Okay, let's go in with an eyeshadow gold to here. And then last time I put a pink over it, but it stained the crap out of my eye, so I'm thinking about not doing that. Let's go with this peachy, this peachy color here on the like mid area of my eye. Oh, is she brighter than I wanted her to be? That's fine. So I'm gonna start here and then follow like a basic jaw shape. Like this, and then shade it in. We're gonna work on the shading later, but I'm gonna put some black lipstick on as a base for the gold teeth I'm gonna put on. And then we're gonna do this little shape on the nose to mimic a skull. Approximately. And then, like, you know, fill it in and do the line. I can't do it looking at the camera, so. And then we just gotta put little gold accents everywhere. So take the same gold. We're gonna put that tip of the nose. We're gonna take this vaguely tooth-sized brush and make like little teeth. So you're gonna want to bring those out all the way until the like jaw part does a harsh curve, you know, and then bring them down past where the lip goes. And then I'm taking this like peach color that I put here and I'm doing like the top of the teeth with that. And then we're gonna emphasize these teeth out here with some black lines in between. Now we're just adding too much glitter. Basically anywhere there's gold, we're adding glitter. Like even our eyebrows. And this is also where we're gonna start doing that little like circle around. This is all gonna be glitter too. More glitter. Alright, last step. I cut the stems off of a bunch of flowers from Michael's and I'm just gonna use lash glue to stick them to my face. So I put them here. have a bunch of them today though, so like I might put more on my face because we're gonna actually do a photo shoot today. What if I added like another one? Is that too much, or like up in here? Should I do some here? Okay, let's see how this hair's turning out right quick. Real quick, fit check. I actually had people choose my outfit on TikTok, but the suit I got from Nasty Gal. It's like a light pink velvet suit. There's like a third piece too, but I wanted to incorporate some more gold. So I have this bodysuit. I got it off of Poshmark, but it is from Fashion Nova. Underneath that, I have this little like pink bustier corset from Victoria's Secret. I'm wearing Why Are You velvet boots, and this little chain is from Amazon. I'm gonna give you all of the jewelry deets in another video. Evidently, I also did not film an outro to this video, so here's some more of those pictures of this photo shoot. And I don't know, I'm sorry. It's been weird several months. I filmed this in like May, but I thought it worked with some October content, and I'll hopefully be filling you in on how my life has been going in the next couple weeks. But until then, enjoy some Halloween content. But that's all. Hopefully you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it. Do you hear my chair squeaking?